Hi everyone, I'm Danilo Romolini and today we're in Tuscany, in the Chianti Classico area. What I'm gonna show you is one of the finest estates in Chianti Classico. This historic, fully restored estate is on top of a hill surrounded by cypress trees, vineyard, olive grove and beautiful classic Italian gardens. Follow me. The estate is composed of 5 hectares of external surface with its vineyard and olive grove. Regarding the buildings, we can divide them onto 2 big groups. The main group with the villa, a former studio with 3 fully restored apartments, its swimming pool and private chapel. Behind the villa we find a 5-bedroom dependance with a second beautiful swimming pool. Close by, but still fully independent, there is the second group of buildings made up of the farmhouse, fully restored, and a cottage. In the second group we also find a swimming pool and a private parking for the guests. The villa was previously owned by the famous Dutch artist Karel Appel. We can find one of his famous statues here on the lavender garden. This is the main villa, 580 square meters with 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. It is surrounded by 25,000 square meters of garden, enriched by many beautiful and really elegant architectural details. The garden is rich of many beautiful details, like for example these terracotta statues made from the Tuscan famous artist Luigi Galligani. Right below the villa we find this beautiful vegetable garden where you can plant all your vegetables like eggplants, zucchini, tomatoes, and in the greenhouse you can keep your lemons during the winter. I can guarantee you that these Italian ciliegino tomatoes are absolutely delicious. We're now inside the main villa. It is 580 square meters with 4 bathrooms and 4 bedrooms. From the entrance we access to this big living area with stone fireplace, vaulted ceilings. Also from here we get to a studio, a bathroom, and at the very end a kitchen with dining area. You can notice all the traditional Tuscan details like the terracotta floors, beamed ceilings, and the marble top on the kitchen. From this room we access to a separate apartment with independent access that can be used for the caretaker. We're now on the first floor of the villa. From here we find this big reception area with a suite over there with its bedroom, bathroom and kitchenette. Another reception area from which we get to the tower and to this area thought for kids, which has 2 bedrooms, a bathroom and a kitchenette. At the very end we find a master bedroom with its ensuite bathroom. We're now on top of the tower. There is an amazing 360-degree view and there are 2 rooms, one on this floor and one on the floor below, that are not being used. So you could expand on the number of bedrooms by creating 1 room below and over here a nice studio where you can enjoy this beautiful view. This is the second villa, 300 square meters, 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. It is right beside the main villa, so it could be considered a dependance. Right in front of it, we find this beautiful swimming pool, completely covered in travertino marble. Here you can have fun during the hot summer days. On the other side of the second villa, we find this beautiful roses garden. It is full of details like the columns, the fountain, statues, and since it's facing southeast, you get all the morning light. You can come here and enjoy these beautiful roses, since this type of flower blooms from the beginning till the end of summer. In this beautiful panoramic position, we find the farmhouse. This is a 585 square meters building divided into apartments with 11 bedrooms and 11 bathrooms. There is also a cottage with its private garden, a parking for the guests and a swimming pool. This area is currently used as an accommodation business. We're now ending our property tour here, right beside the statue of Persephone, a symbol for the 4 seasons, which can be the 4 seasons of the year, but also the 4 seasons of life. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.